this stage, you're anyways losing. Yes or no? This is probably the stage where if you don't show the courage to invest the time and money you don't have in building teams, in building marketing, in building your brand, in building your skills, you're anyways going to be stuck here. And you know what happens to a business that is stuck in emergence for too long? Ask me what? If you don't follow this strategy and you're stuck in emergence for too long, you slip into emergency. I know entrepreneurs, 15 years in business, 20 years in business, don't know how to build systems, don't know how to hire people, don't know how to build teams, don't know how to market their business. They're only good at the product or service. Only good at the product or service. Customer comes to them, only then they can sell. Now, over 15-20 years of doing the same thing, all they've accumulated is debt. बच्चे के स्कूल के फीस के लिए पैसे नहीं है, बाहर से पैसा दो. Landlord is saying to change the office, for that bigger office don't have deposit money or borrow more money. Over a period of 10-15 years of being stuck in emergence, it turns into an emergency eventually. You know this, right? Statistically, most business owners don't pass on wealth to their next generation, they pass on debt to their next generation. Statistically. Because most business owners get stuck in survival. They get stuck in survival of emergence, hand to mouth. Sales and service by themselves. I had a doctor, 27 years, he's a doctor. He's the chairman of the Bangalore Physiotherapist Network. So he's not an ordinary doctor, not a struggling doctor. Google rating 4.6 out of 5. Very busy doctor. Now as a physiotherapist, he can't do more than 10 physiotherapy sessions in a day. Yes or no? Beyond that, he will need physiotherapy. So he's busy, good at his job. But his clinic expenses are rising, but his fees cannot keep rising. Yes or no? After 27 years, he tells me, Rajiv, the world celebrates me. Medical conferences में मुझे बुला कर award देते हैं, गुलदस्ता देते हैं. But the reality is my bank statement is bleeding. And if I talk about it, doctors are not supposed to talk about this. But उनके खर्चे नहीं है क्या? उनके बीवी बच्चे नहीं है क्या? He's like, I don't know what to do. 27 years I'm stuck in this rut. And I want to tell you this. Just being good at your product or service is not good enough. Just being good at your product or service is not good enough. You may be a good photographer, but that doesn't mean you'll become a successful photographer. You may be a good architect, but that doesn't mean you'll become a successful architect. You may be a good chartered accountant, but that doesn't mean you'll be a successful chartered accountant. The difference between good and successful is good people only are good at the product or service. Successful ones are good at the product or service and they're good at management, marketing and building teams. That's the difference. Most of us have only learned about our product or service. We've not learned about management, marketing and building teams. So we get stuck. Now, the only way to get out of emergence is to invest the time and money you don't have in your skills, in your marketing, in hiring. When you do these three things, you move to the next stage. Everybody read out the next stage. 1, 2, 3, go. Now you thought life gets easier if you invest in hiring. Life gets easier if you invest in marketing. Life gets easier when you invest in learning. That's what you thought. But no. When you hire, new problems come. Yes or no? First you are managing customer's headache. Now you are managing customer and team's headache. Hello? How many of you have been there? And then you are like, let me do one thing. I will manage my own headache. I will do how much I can do. That's what many business owners settle into. When you invest in hiring, there is new chaos in your life. Now you have people. People who don't listen. Yes or no? People who do things if it is comfortable for them to do it. Right? Now in this chaos, what do you feel? The emotions you feel is confusion. What do I do? Where do I start? What do I pay attention to? Marketing करूं या team building करूं? Finance संभालूं या customer कस्टमर को संभालो. And there's too much to do now. Lots of activity. Lots of frustration. And this is the stage where you're still in survival. See, in the previous stage, no, you were in survival, water was still here. Here, water is still here. So now you have to pay salaries. You have to pay GST. You have to pay professional tax. You have to pay TDS. You have to pay GST for popcorn. Water is still here then. Yeah. Now, the fear increases, the insecurity increases, the pain increases, and this is the stage. What typically happens is you as a business owner, in some departments you are manager, in some departments you are doer. How many of you are in that stage? Mostly what I see is this. For operations you have a back-end team to support you. You manage them. For sales and marketing you are the doer. Accounts you have an accountant, but you manage them. For anything to do with growing the business, networking, you are the doer. Yes or no? So this is still self-employment, but because now you have people to support you, your time has increased to get more business. You're not too stuck in projects. You're still the face to the customer. Your time has increased to get more business, because of which you are able to generate at least a basic income for yourself. कि कुछ भी करके जुगाड़ सब करके वो 40, 50, 60 हजार तो घर लेके जा रहे हैं. चाहिए 2-3 लाख, 60-70 हजार तो हो जाता है. हेलो.
Yes.
Now, here your focus needs to be with your customer on retaining your existing customers, because you can't afford to lose them here. Because it rocks your boat, yes or no?
Yes.
And also on asking your customers for referrals. Because that's an easy, low-hanging fruit for you to tap into to get more leads. Ask if you're doing good work while you're building your marketing engine. Now, the strategy to get out of chaos is this. Any area of your life, whenever you have chaos, you need to do two things. Build systems and build committed and competent teams. If you do not have a system for tracking, for reviewing, and you do not have committed and competent people in that role, the chaos will always continue. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you know what happens if you don't build systems in chaos? What happens if you don't build teams in chaos? Which stage do you go back to, everybody? Can you tell me? You go back to emergency. From here on, when you don't follow the strategy at a particular stage, when you don't follow it, and you remain in that stage for long, you naturally slip back into emergency. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now when you start building systems, you start building committed and competent teams, you start teaching people, hand-holding them, mentoring them, guiding them. Even though it feels frustrating, because I know when you're mentoring people and guiding them and hand-holding them, you feel, why am I breaking my head? Let me do it by myself instead. Yes or no? But till when will you do everything by yourself? Give time to people to learn. Give people time so that they learn. Now I know your other thing is, but after they learn, they leave. I'll come to that in a moment. But first you give time to people to teach them. Now when you build those systems, you build committed and competent teams, you get out of chaos and you move to the next stage, which is the stage of, come on everybody, together. Stability. This is typically the stage where सब ठीक चल रहा है. Customer is happy, inquiries are coming consistently, deals are coming, projects are coming consistently, accounts is in order, taxations are paid on time, everything is fine. And you know, when everything is fine, everything becomes boring. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, boring.
Tell the person sitting next to you, boring is good.
Boring is good.
Boring means you're making money. Boring means you're making money. Boring is good. So the emotion you feel is, oh, nothing spectacular, oh, nothing devastating, I'm bored. That's the emotion of stability. Now, Financially also the business is stable at this stage. Company is making money, owner is also making money. You are taking your 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakh rupees a month back home. You are able to provide a good lifestyle to your family. You are able to do those vacations twice in a year. You are able to do festivals in a grand way. Okay? You have a good life. This is the good life. But there's a problem here. Ask me what?
What?
Come on, everybody, ask me what?
What?
Even at this stage, it's highly owner dependent. You are the manager in certain activities, you are the doer in certain activities. The only thing different is you have a better income. You're making your 2, 3, 4 lakhs a month, but you are the manager and doer. So, there's one thing you don't have in this stage of your life. Ask me what? You don't have time. Even if you go for a holiday, the family's holiday, you are looking for mobile network in the resort. Resort manager does not know where you find mobile network. Business owner who's a customer will know. उधर पीछे जाएगा ना, वो बीच के पास, उधर network अच्छा है. Because that's all you've done. Family is waiting for a photo. They say, come, and you're like, मान पहुंचा, पेमेंट आया, बैलेंस चेक करो. मैं OTP देता, OTP, you are COO, Chief OTP Officer. Hello.
Yes.
Whole day you spent on calls. Family is frustrated. Night you go into the room thinking abhi romance ka chance. Partner is doing kapal bhati. You know what happened, but you still ask what happened. Kaiku, तुम जानते हो क्या हुआ? शेर के हाथ में मुंह नहीं डालने का ना फिर. लेफ्ट साइड में टर्न करके सो जाने का. You say, what happened? You tell what happened. I mean, that call had come. You know that customer रोज सर खाता रहता है. हाँ, शादी कर लेनी थी कस्टमर से. अब छोड़ो. Don't touch. Hello?
Yes.
Next morning you are not fresh for breakfast. You know why? Because the only time in life you get time to fight is on the holiday. How many of you realize this? You fight on every holiday. घर पे वक्त कहाँ मिलता है? भड़ास तो holiday में ही निकलेगी. Yes or no? It's self-employment. But with lifestyle income, not basic income. Income is improved. Now I tell you, we relish that income for some time. But over a period of time, you know, we are humans and we love growth. And when we deal with the same problems every day, it frustrates us. Yes or no?
Yes.
I know entrepreneurs for whom reaching the 2-3 lakhs a month was a big milestone. But it mattered for a few months. It mattered for a few years. Then it becomes boring. Ki Rajiv, I'm dealing with the same shit. Same thing, payment outstanding, I'm collection agent. Same thing, accountant is not filed returns properly, I'm sitting with auditor. Same thing, customer is unhappy, I'm sitting and giving my face to the customer and consoling the customer. So it gets frustrating here. So here is a stage where your focus needs to turn from customer to team a lot more. Where you need to start focusing on building second line of managers. A sales manager, a marketing manager. That needs to be your priority. Now there's a problem here. Ask me what? If you notice still chaos, to bring it till stability, your hard work brings the business till stability. Yes or no? But to take the business beyond stability is not going to be your hard work. It's going to be the capabilities of your next line of leaders. True or not? Otherwise you get stuck at stability. Now to build those leaders, you need to be a leader, not a doer. But you love doing. So if someone tells you, make SOP, train your team, you're like, मैं कस्टमर संभाल लूंगा. कोई HR लेके आना, HR ये सब कर लेगा. HR को धंधा आता तो खुद का धंधा शुरू कर लेगा. हेलो.
Yes.
हेलो. You know, the most powerful example I can give you about the mindset shift and the capability shift you need to make from stability to beyond is you need to be like Dhoni. You know Dhoni? Mahendra Singh Dhoni? How many of you follow cricket? You know Dhoni at the start of his career was an aggressive batsman, wicket-keeping batsman, yes or no?
Yes.
He used to come 1 down for India or 2 down for India and score a lot of runs. True or not? He was the person running, scoring the runs for India. But when he became captain, what did he do? He came down to number 5 or 6 because his focus was on the leadership, not on the batting. You need to learn how to do that. Some of you only love batting. Sales करेगा मैं, customer संभालेगा मैं. भैया टीम को कौन संभालेगा?